So this is Arduino, it is microcontroller board on the 80 mega 328p. So it has 40 digital input pins and output pins. So only six can be used as PWM output. This is PWM output 6 pins, and this is 6 analog inputs. Okay, so it has a USB connection, a power jack, and this is ICSP header, and this is reset button, and this is our fingerprint scanner. So mainly we are going to use three main software. That is, first one is Arduino. Okay, this is Arduino file. Okay, this is Arduino. Second one is Workbench, that is for MySQL. Okay, this is our SQL database. And third one is Apache Tomcat on Eclipse. So in fingerprint, first we have scan, then we can delete the fingerprint. This is IONO code. Okay, and this is fingerprint scan code. First we will enroll the scan fingerprint, then we can delete and we can scan and check whether it number has. Okay, so first we will need to, for enrolling, we will need to upload this file. Okay, and we have connected our Arduino to our PC, laptop. Okay, now you can see here uploading is done. Okay, so on the right side, upper right side, okay, so serial monitor is there, just click on it. Okay, so now you can see, so we just need to give ID here, for example 5, and if we scan any finger, if you scan any finger, scan your finger. Okay, now I will click on send. Okay, remove, again scan. Okay, so now you can see here image converted and print matched. ID is 5. Okay, close this. And this is delete function of IONO. If you want to delete any ID that's scanned, so you can delete it from here. So we need to open this. First we will need to upload. We can scan any finger and we can check whether which ID it has. Okay, for scanning we will upload this file again. Once it's done, it's uploading now. Okay, upload done. Again I will click on serial monitor. Okay, so now I am directly checking my finger here. Okay, now if I give third finger, okay, now you can see here 1 2 3. So we will run this program now. Okay, now we will close this. Just open database. This is MySQL Workbench. So you can see here these are files we have. In both section you can see. Okay, so you can see here this is our voting system. So in source file, that is Arduino connection.java. That is our one of main file. So we will firstly run this on Java application. Okay, Java application. Okay, now you can see here started. If I keep my finger on fingerprint scanner, you can see here ID is 1. So I will run this on server. So this is our main voting system front era. So we are having admin login and booth login. So from booth login we can directly cast the vote. From admin login we can maintain all the database. Okay, so this is ID and password we have pasted. Login. Okay, so now you can see here add booth. So at the time I can add one booth. So if I click here and give ID, name, location and password. Okay, so I have added one booth already here. that is 101 NSU Kopergaon, and we can delete it if you want. Okay, we can add multiple booths also. Again, we can see here add voter. So we will add the voter. Okay, so I'll just give name, mobile number, address. Okay, ward. Add this 6, 7. MLA word is 7 and corporator word is 8. Okay, and now I will add voter. Record inserted successfully. We will add the word. So MP word we have selected. Just give name to MP to name here and click on add word. Okay. Now we will add the candidate. Okay. So we will firstly from same we can add the candidate here. We'll candidate name, candidate number, election symbol, and ward number. So I'll just give ID here. And now I can add this. Okay, from ward number we can discuss that. Record inserted successfully. Okay, so now you can see here booth, view booth in view booth. So you can see here, then view voter ID. You can see here voters, and after that you can see here 6, 7, 8. So if you click on MP's ward, so you can see here that there is nothing. In MLA ward, you can see if I added recently I have added this ID. Okay, Gauri. So election symbol is inch, in ward number is 7. Okay, whenever I will cast the vote, right now this is 0. Okay, so now we'll log out. Okay, so you can see here admin login that we have done earlier. So now booth login. So I'll just give ID and password. Booth number is this password, and then click on login. So now whenever I will scan the finger, so if I scan the finger and click here, okay, so now you can see here from MLA. So this is our candidates of MLA. If I vote here, click OK, and then vote is casted. Now you can see I am directly clicking on scan button, so it is showing that invalid fingerprint. Okay, if I put any wrong finger here, I'll show you, and click on scan. Okay, so you can see invalid fingerprint. If I give my registered finger again, give scan finger. Okay, now you can see I have logged in. So I'll just go to MLA or corporate and give vote to 10 number candidates. Okay, so we have given 2 votes. Now again, if I click another registered, just scan now. And this is inserted. Okay, vote is casted now. If I directly scan any another finger or anything else, that is not going to scan here. Okay, only registered fingers are allowed. Okay, after casting the votes, admin has the power. So after logging out, just go to admin login, give your admin ID passwords, login, and at the end you can see here. I'll just click here on. Okay, now we have voted for MLA, right? So I'll just open this. Okay guys, now you can see here we have given 10 number, 3 vote counts that have given. Okay, so this is earlier that we have performed. From this we can clarify and declare the winner as well.